In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. This is a really simple process, and I'll guide you step by step to make it easy to follow. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. Open the Teams application and locate the Sign In option, usually at the top right corner of the window. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be taken to the main Teams interface where you collaborate with colleagues or friends. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen again, where you'll see a circular icon with your initials or your current profile picture if you already have one. This icon represents your profile. Click on it. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear with various options related to your account, such as settings and other features. For today, focus on the current profile photo right in front of you. Click directly on it to indicate that you want to change your picture. Now comes the fun part, choosing your new profile picture. After clicking your current photo, you'll see an option to upload a new one. Click Upload, which will open your computer's file explorer so you can select a new image from your library. This is your chance to pick something that represents you well, a professional headshot, or a picture that conveys your personality. Just make sure the image is clear and appropriate for a professional setting. Once you've selected your new photo, there's one final vital step. After previewing the image in place of your old one, click the Save button. This ensures that your profile picture is updated. If you skip this step, the old picture will remain and all your effort will be wasted. By clicking Save, Teams records the change, and your fresh new look will now appear to everyone you interact with on the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your profile picture in Microsoft Teams, adding a touch of personal style to your digital workspace. Hopefully, this process was straightforward, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy teaming.